What's going on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, wherever this video may be at. About to get ready for the gym. It's your boy J. Thomas, aka Deadliftdaddy. Today we have a squat, bench, and deadlift. We don't have no certain numbers that we're going for, but I need to get a squat, bench, deadlift session in. So yeah, but before we go, you know, gotta start the workout right. Buckedup discount code. Check them out. Use discount code Deadliftdaddy50 and get you one. But this is what my workout will be powered by today. So let's get it. Oh yeah, they told me that y'all was liking the voiceover, so you know your boy had to come back with another one. But yeah, so on my SBD day, you know, squat, bench, deadlift day, I was at the Y today. I didn't really record none of my top sets, but I did end up going up to like 385 for a double and 365 for a double. But I wanted to change up the training and like, well, not just the training, but the recording. Because I feel like y'all always see me go heavy on squats. Y'all always see me go heavy on deadlift and bench, but y'all never really see my working sets. So I recorded just my working sets. So this is 315. It was 3 sets, 6 to 10. I think this set I did 10. The video cuts off at 9, but trust me guys, I definitely did do 10. So from squats, y'all know what's next. Deadlifts. It was supposed to be bench, but I couldn't get to the bench in time, so I ended up going to deadlifts. But you know, Deadlift Daddy ain't nothing but a G thing. So I'm actually trying out these new straps. I have the Versa grips. I think these are like Iron Bridge or Iron something. They're somewhere in my living room, but trying them out right here. I got 3 sets of 5 on 500. So let's see how this goes. My top sets on my deadlift today. Well, not today. This is actually Saturday. I went up to 605 for a single, and then I did 585 for a double. And then as you can see, these are my working sets. My PR currently right now is 635. I did that about like a week ago, so I'm actually kind of just working on my back down right now. I'm not gonna keep trying to pull past it. Like once I get hit like a PR, I give it like a week or 2 weeks that before I start going super heavy again. But yeah, now on to bench. Now if you know me, I'm not a big fan of bench. I don't even know what my current PR is on bench. I don't really PR on bench, but this right here I did about what, 4? I think I was like here for like 4 sets. 4 sets, 6 to 10 reps. I think on my last set I got 10. But like, I'm really trying to bring my bench up a lot. As you can see, I'm working on my form and my technique. I'm trying to control, come all the way up to the top, hit the chest, you know. My last rep, you'll see I paused it at the bottom just to see where I was. But I'm definitely trying to bring my bench up. Like, because I think the last time my PR was like 345. I think 345. It's been a while. I don't really PR on bench, but I'm not scared of bench though. Don't get it twisted. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is the next day, Sunday, October 1st, and it was abs and arms for me. I just recorded the ab part of the workout because I've recorded so many arm and tricep, like bicep, tricep exercises for you guys. So I just currently recorded my ab routine. As you can see, got that Buckedup discount code Deadliftdaddy, but you know, link in bio. But this ab routine was for beginners and advanced. As you can see, I will show some of the advanced movements, then I'll show the beginning for the beginners. Excuse me, my tongue's all tired right now. I think I'm a little tired, but it's cool though. But yeah, like give this workout a try. Like it's for advanced and beginners. I'll leave the rep ranges for you guys, but for the course and the rest of this video, I want to like talk to you guys about what's going on. That like I'm pescatarian now. I've been pescatarian for about 3 months now. I currently don't drink no more. I wanted to clarify that when I said it in my last video. I'm not saying I'm like as of right now, I don't drink alcohol at all, but I'm not gonna say I'm gonna be done drinking forever. Just as of right now, with my diet and everything I got going on, I'm really not really. I don't care about drinking right now. And then I'm currently celibate too. Like I took like a no sex, none of that. I'm kind of called, what is it called, like semen retention. It might be TMI, too much information, but I'll let you guys know what's going on right now. But yeah, so like it's all a part of the journey, like everything that I got going on. I just want to keep y'all updated. The videos are still coming, but I'm pescatarian, I don't drink no more, and I'm celibate. That is like the little quick update for you guys. So yeah, still me. I'm still me, but I'm just like, taking a break from some things, just getting things right. But I really want you guys to let me know what videos would you like to see next. Cause me, I'm gonna keep putting fitness videos up. Nobody don't say nothing. I mean, I have like 2,000 subscribers. Y'all gotta talk to me. Let me know what y'all like to see. Cause leave it up to me. Once again, I'll just keep putting fitness videos up. So if you want some hair videos or anything like that, make sure you comment below. Let me know. And as y'all about to see, this is what I ate after my workout: a Caesar salad, and then I had them breaded mushrooms, and then I had some salmon, stuffed salmon with broccoli and spinach. But this is the conclusion of this video. Love you guys. I'm out.